Why most English learners never become fluent in English? Maybe you've been struggling with grammar rules, or maybe you've been trying to memorizing words. You can understand everything in English. You can understand native speaker when they speak to you. But why you can't speak English fluently? Why you can't express your ideas, your opinions? So today in this video, I'm gonna answer these questions and I'm also gonna show you how to fix these problems. So stay with me because this video is going to be legit. You're not gonna find any of these advices somewhere else. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Jeho and I'm an English learner. I'm making this video for you, so please don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel to get notified every time I upload a new video. First of all, what does fluency mean? Fluency in a language means speaking easily, reasonably, and quickly without having to stop and pause a lot. Becoming fluent in a language, and especially English, can take many years. But if you pay close attention to native speakers, how they speak, you can become fluent faster in English. This is the reason why I'm putting out these videos for you guys, to motivate you and keep you engaged with your English learning journey. Now I want you to remember this. The more you absorb the language by watching videos in English, watching reality shows, the more confident you'll become in English. Since I started learning English, I never spent a day without listening to something in English. It can be some music, podcast, or interviews, whatever it is, but the most important is to do it in English, even if it's just for 5 minutes. To become fluent in English, you have to be exposed to how it is used by native speakers in a variety of contexts. You gotta work on your accent and pronunciation actively and consciously. One of the most effective ways to do this is to imitate how others speak. You can pick a celebrity or a native speaker that you like and try to imitate how they speak. Pay special attention to the rhythm that they use and the intonation. Listen to me, if you can understand native speakers but can't speak English, it's time for you to start with a meticulous plan. You can use the shadowing technique. This is a process where you pick a celebrity or a native speaker that you really love and mimicking them. While you're doing this, please don't forget to try to imitate the facial expression of the speaker, the body language. Remember, fluency is not about knowing and memorizing grammar rules. You can memorize every single grammar rules in the English language and still can't speak English. Because focusing excessively on grammar rules at the expense of practical usage can hinder the development of natural language flow. Another thing that is stopping you from fluency is to cram vocabulary, because it's gonna be overwhelming and ineffective if you try to learn many words at once. You can just try to learn a few words and use them in a sentence, because this way you will most likely to remember it. And this is crucial for mastering a language. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you next time.